Welcome to our BTIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here we will learn how to make business card easily with Canva. Firstly, let's search for the Canva. So here we are. Let's directly go to the search bar and search business card. So here are some varieties of business cards on which you can customize your own one. So here how many types of categories we have: business, social, education, and many more. Let's go with the marketing. In marketing we have some categories like business cards, flyer, logos, posters. Okay. We came here for business cards, not for flyer, logos, or posters, anything. So let's continue with the business card. So just let's take the blank page. To create a business card, firstly let's go to element section, type for backgrounds, crochet backgrounds. Let's go to the graphic. I need brownish backgrounds like this. Okay, we have got a background for this. If you double tap this page, then you will be able to adjust the card as design you want on your card. Let's get back. So here let's search for location icon. Let this one be with black. So let's go to text section, add a subheading. Now right here 1 2 3 anywhere street, any city. Okay, let me change the text font. Let me change the font. I'm happy with this one. Adjust this. Then again go to the element section, search for call icon. You will get some of this here. Let's add this one. Okay. Then again go to the text, add a subheading. Type your number. Zero. Okay. Decrease this font size. Sorry. Go to the element section, search for. So not going again and again in the element section. Firstly, let's search for email icon. Take this one. Then search for website icon. Here we go. Let's add this one. It will look good. Minimize this. Align these icons in the same line. So for then go to text section. Write it here. Really great at the rate mail mail.com. Minimize the text size. Take it down. Make this heading here. www.reallyGreatThings.com. Okay. Minimize this text size. Even here, change the font. We have used this one before. Even for this. So here we have completed with the details which we have to give, and now it comes to the logo. So if you want, you can directly just go to ChatGPT and search for business card ideas. So from ChatGPT I got a name which is Culture Collection Studio. For that I need to go to the element section and search for CC. I think this will look good. Then now go to the search bar and search for S. I think this will go with this. Let's go to text section, add heading. Type culture. Collections Studio. Let's go to the font section, change. Adjust this. Culture Collection Studio. So now you can see that your business card is ready and you can directly download it from here. Make it in JPG file, then download. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.